Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed to my YouTube channel. We do new videos here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and most of the time on Sunday. Occasionally I miss it. So today I wanted to do a really pretty, super bright pink, red, Halloween, Valentine's Day look for you guys since it is coming up. I have plenty of neutral colored smoky eye looks on my YouTube channel already that you guys could super easily morph into a date night look if you have a hot date for Valentine's Day. And even if you don't, get glammed up for you. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna go cook dinner and eat in this makeup, so you don't always have to have a hot date to look hot, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you do, you give it a thumbs up down below. It really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. All right, without further ado, let's go on and jump into the video, guys. All right, so I have the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette and the ColourPop Strawberry Shake palette. I mainly pulled this one, well, not just that it's mainly pinky red tones, but also these two shades. This is like a really pretty lighter pink shimmery glittery shade, and this is a hot pink shimmer shade. But I do know that the Conspiracy palette has a red, a really pretty hot pink shimmer, and then that pigment shade and a black. So I've already primed my eyes. I'm gonna start out with a fluffy brush and pigment out of the Jeffree Star palette. And I'm just gonna blend this into my crease. This would be a really pretty blush shade. And now going into the Strawberry Shake palette, I'm gonna take my Milkshake, which is just a deeper matte pink. And I'm going to start darkening out my crease. I want this to be a super dramatic look, so I'm fanning it up pretty close to my brow. It's definitely going up onto my brow bone because I don't really have a whole lot of natural eyebrow right now. There was a mistake when shaping them, so we don't have to talk about it. To continue deepening it, I'm going to go in with Flaming Hot on the same brush out of the Conspiracy palette, which looks like a red shade. And we're going to flare that out on the outer corner. Let's go ahead and cut our crease out. I'm not going to do a full cut crease like normal. I'm just going to do kind of a half C situation. So I'm trying to decide. I'm going to swatch Whipped and Take a Sip, which is that super glittery paler pink shade and the hot pink shimmer. And then let me come in here to Trisha. Let's do, okay then. Let's do Trisha out of the Conspiracy palette. These shadows are super powdery. Let me finish this. We might be adding a few overlays. I'm sorry if you hear all that crinkling. James is rolling a bag of chips up apparently. Okay, so that's super pretty, but it's needing some definition. So I'm gonna go back in with Flaming Hot, which was that red, and throw that through my whole crease. And then out of the Strawberry Shake palette, I'm gonna take Daiquiri, which is a very deep color, and blend out the edge of my cut crease as well as deepen it. I'm going to get a clean brush and barely tap into my rides here, which is the black. And we're gonna go back through and continue to deepen, not really blending this up into the crease, mainly focusing on the outer corner and kind of outlining that cut crease. Okay, I just kind of cleaned up my shape a little bit. This is not where I wanted this look to go, so we're gonna try to correct it a little bit. I'm going to quickly clean Trisha off of this brush. I'm gonna go in with Whipped, which was that lighter shade of pink. I'm gonna wet it. And I'm kind of creating a faux cut crease over my whole lid, keeping that darkness in the outer corner. I'm going to quickly hop off of the screen, do my other eye, and put my face on, and we'll be back to try to figure out what the fuck we're doing to fix this. Okay, we're back. I'm feeling slightly better about this look now, which is good. That's so good. So let's go ahead and work on our lower lash line. The first thing I'm gonna do is tightline with the NYX retractable eyeliner in black. I'm gonna go back in with Daiquiri on this little brush, and that was pretty much the darkest shade we used other than the black, because I don't want to put black everywhere. And oh, I have a mirror right here, let me clean it off. And I'm just gonna kind of start to smudge out that eyeliner a little bit, and I'm gonna go pretty low and kind of connect up to that shade. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go in with a mix of my Milkshake, which is a pretty pigmented pink, and I'm gonna layer Flaming Hot, which was that red shade, over it. And I'm just gonna buff this down a little more. I'm gonna go in with a tiny little detail brush and Ranch, which is the lightest shade in this palette. I pretty much religiously use this as my highlight on my eye and on my face. And while I have this palette out still, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. It's just such a pretty, if you're pale, I mean, you can use it if you're darker too, but it's such a beaming, beautiful highlight if you're pale. If you're thinking this all looks super dramatic, hang on. I'm gonna pounce back over my cheek highlight just to tone it down a little bit. Nothing crazy. All right, so the eyes are pretty much done. I'm going to quickly hop off of screen and do some more eyeliner and lashes. Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. I'm gonna wing it out. I'm gonna do a layer of the Essence False Lashes. This is the Dramatic Volume Unlimited. And then I'm gonna go in with my absolute favorite freaking false eyelashes I have ever used in my entire life. These are the Kiss Ritzy lashes. So pretty, and they're like $3. So let me do that and we'll come back. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it out of the way before somebody else points it out. Your girl's wings are two completely different wings. This one's like, and this one's all, this is the type of wing I like. This is the type of wing I don't like. I struggle. We don't have to talk about it. So for lips today, I have two different options. They're both from Jeffree Star. One is the Shane Dawson collection, and it is Jeffree What the Fuck. And then this is just permanent, and it's Diva. I think we're gonna go with Jeffree What the Fuck. I don't think I've ever used this. I definitely have not. Let me do that. How are we feeling? I don't know. So, because this video is already not what I wanted to do today, I'm gonna go ahead and try to fuck it up just a little bit more. This is one of the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliners, and this is in the shade Vivid Fire. And I practiced on my hand a little bit. We're gonna attempt to do a little bit of a heart. Let me get super close in here. Oh, that kind of worked out. I'm gonna do a few more, I think. Should I do it on both? No, I'm not gonna press my luck. All right, so this is the final look. Eyes came out pretty decent, not where I wanted to take it, but I think it looks pretty good other than my winged eyeliner because girl, what the fuck was that? So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram to keep up with random things happening in my life. It's at Jennifer Metcalfe Beauty, and it's also always linked down below. So I am gonna get off here. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.